Let's go. Hey guys, the rain finally stopped and the sun came out, and now I'm heading out to the Royal Botanic Gardens near Circular Quay. This is the Sydney Opera House, obviously, and now I'm going to the Royal Botanic Gardens. 200 years. Happy 200th birthday! Guys, this place is incredible. Just like open fields of grass, really quiet, but it's like right next to the city. Just so peaceful. This is just amazing. Chillaxing. These are really interesting little mound. This thing is like tilted, and there's a castle over there or something. Look at that. I don't know what that is. This is a really amazing park. I just don't think you can find something like that in Golden Gate Park in San Francisco. And if you can, it's kind of, the weather's not perfect. So I'm nearing the end of my visit to the Royal Botanic Gardens. I would definitely recommend people visit it when they come to Sydney because it's just so gorgeous. It's amazing. There's such a big place and you can sort of get lost, almost literally, because the maps are rare to come by. But yeah, it's a really beautiful place and you should definitely come here when it's sunny. So that castle-looking building is actually the government house. I don't know if that's actually where the government takes place or if like leaders live here or something, but that's what it looks like. And there's the Opera House again. It's so beautiful. Opera House, Harbor Bridge. It's dinner time and I don't feel like cooking, so I'm going to a restaurant. It's not a fancy place, but I had ramen here yesterday and it was really good, so I'm going to try the curry rice. Morning guys, since the rain has stopped, I can go back to doing my morning runs. Here we go. I've run to Hyde Park again. It's a really nice park. Open space. Oh look, there's a giant chessboard you can play. I don't know how to play chess, but that's kind of cool. I am taking a break for my morning run. Just people watching in Hyde Park. Just finished my run and I'm heading back to the hostel. So right now I am heading to Hyde Park to meet up for a free bus tour. I'm running kind of late, but we'll see if I make it.
First stop, Museum, then St. James, Circular Quay, Wynyard.
Alright, I made it to the waiting point here at Hyde Park, Archibald Fountain. Here I am again. So the first stop of the bus tour is Mrs. McQuarrie's Point, or chair. And I was just here yesterday. You can see the view of the Opera House and the Harbor Bridge. Second stop, Wilson's Point. Back here again. Third stop, Rose Bay, which is apparently a really rich neighborhood in Sydney. Third stop, really quick, King Kopo Catholic School with a view of the Sydney Harbour way in the back. Fourth stop, the entrance to Sydney Harbour. This is really gorgeous. This is just an amazing view of Sydney. Sydney that I really love. Apparently a lot of people suicide here, jump off the cliffs, and there are these signs just to help them out.
Yeah, put your exam. I can't even see when I come up for my education thing.
Yeah.
Over here. That'll be a concord. My practice exam.
Last stop of the bus tour, Bondi Beach. Just another gorgeous Australian day on Bondi Beach. The bus tour ended and I've returned to Hyde Park. Now I'm in front of the St. Mary's Cathedral. It's modeled after Notre Dame, apparently, in Paris. I will actually go in another day because my battery's running out and I need to head back to the hostel and get some lunch. Friday afternoon and I'm heading to Chinatown for the Friday night market. This is Paddy's Market. Lots of souvenir type things. So I just checked out the Friday night markets in Chinatown. Now I'm heading to rock climbing. I just got off at St. Peter's station and now I'm heading to a rock climbing gym to rock climb for the first time ever. So I just took an instruction course, just really quick on this wall, and I passed. Yay! I got my shoes, I got my harness, I'm ready to go. Alright, we're about to do our own first climb. There's a lot of walls here. So I just did a couple of climbs for the first time and it was pretty cool. It's not hard, but it's not easy either, so I'm very excited. I kind of want to keep doing this on a regular basis. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, this is Tina.
Hi!
And she was my rock climbing partner.
Relay partner.
So, and she did a great job. And it was really fun.
He was really, really good. So no issues there.
Cool. So I'm back at St. Peter's station after rock climbing. It was really great. My hands are kind of rough and kind of sore right now, but it was really fun, and I definitely want to do it again here in Sydney and as well in San Francisco back home.